show you a video. This is short video all about ABC phonics sounds.
A for apple, A for ant,
A for
Apple.
very good.
B for bat, B for ball,
B for
Bat and ball.
yes.
C for cat and C for cup,
C for
Cat and cup.
very good.
D for dog, D for dogs,
D for
Dog and duck.
yes.
E for egg and E for elephant,
E for
Egg and elephant.
F for frog, F for fish,
F for
Frog and fish.
yes. That's all for today's discussion. Goodbye, class.